Go.
We used the National Geographic Volcano Builder set to build this volcano. It's super cool, and we're about to make it explode in this video.
It is gonna be crazy. Like super
So when
crazy.
should I dump it?
Go for it.
Go for it.
All right.
It's okay. On the other side. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's lava!
Wow.
Hang that's how to make a lava.
Whoa.
If that's real lava,
It's getting on my
Whoa.
fingers. It looks like candy. If those two powders get in my body, I'm a volcano.
Careful.
Wow. This volcano is...
oh my gosh.
All right.
Well, there goes all our citric powder. Oh, there's all the glitter sprinkles.
Yeah.
There's all the glitter sprinkles we put in
Oh, Maxim, look.
on the paint.
Okay,
There's still powder over here. I think it needs more water.
Oh. It's really cold.
No.
No?
That's gonna overflow in that pan.